Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, click on Language and Input, Keyboard, and Theme. Now to pick one of the available ones, scroll all the way down and click Show More at the bottom right corners. Then, when you find the best theme for you, click on it. Now, thanks to this switcher next to keyboards, you can manage them. And to save your keyboard, tap on Apply button. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboards and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!